Hello and welcome to this video guide. I will show with you how you can cancel easily your USCCA membership. So if you want to cancel, follow me in this video guide. If you want to log in, you can't directly cancel your subscription. So all you have to do, let's get started. Go to this option from the down. You will see look for forum, look for contact option, cancel the contact option, this one. From the send email, choose your email subscription. In this case, your email subscription, contact name, write your contact name here, write your member. If you are a member or not, click yes, write your reason for contacts, click membership and benefit, and like membership and benefit, and this message, write this sample message. Hello, I would like to request cancellation of my USCC membership effective as soon as possible, and then write this information. Please confirm my membership has been cancelled and let me know if any additional steps. In this one, write this: thanks for assistance, write I am not a robot, and then all you have to do, click submit option, and then just await email for your cancellation. Basically, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like, share this